Alright guys, we're embarking on this adventure right now. Not really sure what's gonna happen or how things are gonna go, but just check out the sky like right now. It looks like something out of a movie. Alright, so we made it to Ohio. We're kind of in the Dayton area. We rolled in around 1 last night, so we're really tired. This hotel, this Red Roof Inn, I'm giving it a -star review. It's not that bad of a room, it's just disgusting, like they didn't clean it or something. But luckily we didn't have to stay here very long. We're about to head out to the dealership right now. So we're about to pull in the dealership right now to see this car for the first time, and I was just thinking, it was 2 years ago, almost to the day, that I went down to Indianapolis with my friend to pick up his BRZ, so it's kind of weird that we're back kind of down south to look at very similar cars. So we'll see if this thing checks out. Alright guys, so we just left the dealership. We ended up getting the car. As you can see, it is a 2014 Scion FRS. The what is it called? The monogram. So yeah, we like the car, and just for my loyal subscribers that have been with me for a long time, this is not replacing the BMW. This is actually in addition to that. This will be Katie's new daily driver, and we just wanted something fun that we could, you know, it'll be more content for the channel. There's a lot of things that you can do with these cars, and it's just a car that we've always really liked, and the timing was right, the price was right, so we bought it. So yeah. So overall, the car is in a really good condition. The paint and everything is fine, all the exterior stuff. There's a couple little cosmetic things on the interior, stuff that's pretty easy to replace. So like there's a little scratch on the dashboard trim, but that whole piece pops out easily. I was already checking the prices on those. And then it definitely needs new tires, so I was actually able to use that fact to kind of negotiate the price down a little bit, because I told the guy that it needs new tires right away. So I'm not too worried about that actually, because we were planning on getting new wheels for this pretty soon anyway. So but other than that, it's in really good shape, and yeah, we're just really excited about it. How do you feel about driving a stick shift as your main car now? Are you nervous?
It doesn't have that 3-second brake assist thing like yours does, so it immediately starts rolling, which is gonna take some getting used to. Sitting on the ground.
So let's pull onto this back road and see how it does. Alright, so I almost just lost my FRS driving privileges just now on the back road, but
Yep.
It's fun. It's a fun car. But we just want to say, first of all, a big thank you to Air City Motors down in Ohio. They held the car for us for 4 days for free, which they didn't have to do, and they just made the whole process really easy for us. I also want to say a big thank you to my insurance guy, Matt, for really getting all this stuff together really at the last second for us. We didn't decide until Friday afternoon that we were actually going to go down to pick up the car, so he emailed me like right as he was leaving work, making sure that I had all the correct documents so that we could actually pick the car up from the dealership. And I just want to say thank you to you guys. Katie and I both work full-time outside of this YouTube channel. We've actually been working a lot of overtime the past few weeks leading up to this purchase, but definitely with the help from this channel, the ad revenue and everything, and just the support from you guys was a big part of being able to make this purchase. So I just want to say thank you guys for being a part of it. So do you have any big plans for your car?
It's a secret.
It's a secret? So I guess we'll find out. So we haven't decided if we're gonna do like a track car, if we're gonna go full Stance Nation on it, but maybe you guys can leave a comment and let us know what you think about that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please just give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.